I don't know. Okay, so we promise this to our Facebook fans, okay?
Friends.
Fans and friends. Okay, so we promised that we would do a funny dance if we got first 5 likes. So
And there's been 7.
So for all those first 5 and everyone else, their likes, this is all for them. Okay, are you ready? What are we gonna do?
You do the Dougie?
Okay.
The Dougie slide.
Oh.
The Dougie.
Oh.
What you dancing?
Oh. Oh. We promised you funny dances.
Go back.
For what?
Dance.
Booty, booty, booty. Booty, booty, rockin'. Booty, booty, rockin'. Booty, rockin'. Oh, wait. Booty, 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 rockin'. Okay.
Now let's do that one thing you showed me that's like this.
Okay. So we do the stick. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we just go.
And then there's this one. It's
And then it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
oh no, I messed up.
Yeah.
It's
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And then we should do this one. Like, oh, push it.
I just pushed the carpet.
Push it. Wait.
No, I want to do the Soldier Boy at least once. Okay,
Okay,
ready?
let's do it.
1, 2,
Ready?
Boy, bandit.
Oh, why we can't do my people? I can't listen to my man. No, I mean you. Can't that's on the one you. Can't that's on the one you. Can't that's on the one. We're great, huh?
We are.
Anyways, this is for all of our Facebook friends and fans.
Not fans, they're friends.
They're also fans. Some of them can be fans and people who liked our posts. Okay. Love you guys. Bye.